Do it, right? Not yet. This farmer had these chickens since he was 24. He been working for the colonel for 30 years or more. Killing all these chickens and sending them to fry. And now they want revenge. Ghost chickens in the sky. Ghost chickens in the sky. It's like poultry in motion. You know why Beethoven killed all his chickens, Skylar? Why? Because they were running around the yard yelling, bok, bok, bok. Does anybody know what guinea hens are? Does anybody know what guinea hens are? Yeah, they say, Tchaikovsky, 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 Tchaikovsky. Listen to this, this is scary. Their beaks were black and shiny, their eyes were burning red. They had no meat or feathers, these chickens, they was dead. They picked that farmer up and he died by the claw. They cooked them extra crispy and served them with coleslaw. Here we go! Back, 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 back. Oh, that's great! You shouldn't be chewing gum when you're doing that, kid.
Don't chew gum when you go out to pick eggs.
Yeah, you should
Don't chew gum when you go out to the chicken coop. I did it once.
What happened?
Oh, I blew my nose and it fell out.
Your gum fell out?
Yeah.
What's so bad about that?
Well, it took me 3 times to try. I got the right piece.
That's gross.
It is gross. Wasn't even my gum.
Now that's gross. Now you've heard about ghost chickens way up in the sky. And about the chicken farmer who sends them to fry. Well, they say it isn't over. Their revenge isn't done. They're on their way to Arkansas, to a place they call Tyson.
Let's hear ya.
And now the chickens promote the dancers. Bok, 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 stay alive, stay alive. Bok, 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 stay alive, stay alive. Bok, bok, bok. Ghost chickens in the sky. My next rooster, I'm going to name Skylar. Well, you almost laid an egg. I didn't know roosters could lay eggs.
We have been Ez-n-Dil. Hope you all enjoyed us. Come on back at 9 o'clock. We'll have another fun time.
Yeah.
New songs, stories, and such. Have a wonderful evening.
They're new? I haven't even practiced them?
No, we're making them up as we go along.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. God bless you. Remember, you can't be in 2 places at once if you're not anywhere at all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.